Hello everyone, and welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Today is day 6 of our DIY mini advent calendar, where I will be showing you how to make your own 12-day mini advent calendar. Stay tuned for the next 6 days as we share a mini craft for each day. All right, let's open box 6. I can't wait to see what's inside. All right, what will be in this little box? Today we have, it's the little miniature Christmas candles. Each one has a little flame inside. So today my mom will be showing you how to make these cute little Christmas candles.
To get started to make your candle, you're going to need a glass bowl and hot water, and you're going to put like a 1/2 inch in your bowl. And I'm using a heater under this because we're filming this. Now, what you're going to need is you're going to need these little glass jars. I got these off of TEMU, and they come with a very cute cover. You're going to take that, and you're going to put it in your hot water like so. You can use any glass jars you want. Now, to get started, you're going to light your tea light. And I'm using this green candle, and this is what I'm going to use to make my candles. So I have my tea light over there and it's lit. So this just makes it easier because you're going to be blowing your candle out once in a while. Now get it over where you're going to have it drip into your jars. This might take a while. Let it fill up all the way with wax. After it cools, it shrinks. So you're going to have to add a little more wax to the top. And as you can see, I got some on the side, which I will clean up after I got this filled up. The reason why I'm using the hot water is to keep the wax hot so that it flows and you don't get air bubbles and gaps in your candle. Otherwise, it will cool off too soon and it won't fill right. Anything that you get on the side can be cleaned up. This is almost done here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's getting right around the edges. And now it's done, so I'm going to blow my candle out. Once you fill it up, take it out and let it cool down. And then start your next one if you're going to do more than one. Now that it's cooled down a little, take the wax that is around the edge and clean it up and just put it back in your jar. When the wax dries, it shrinks really a lot. So you want to get all that back in there. And then I'm going to add more wax so it's full. And I'm not using the hot water this time because it's already dripped nice into the jar. Okay. Now after it cools, I'm going to clean it up again. And as you can see, it filled up really nice. And I also got some along the edge. So make sure you clean your candle all the way up. And it comes off really nice. To make the wicks, like I made these, you're going to need to cut several 1.5 inches. Now you don't have to measure these, just kind of do a little longer than what you need because you're going to be holding them and you're going to be using hot glue and you don't want to burn yourself. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to use your hot glue gun and you're going to make that little cute flame. To make the flame, put a very small blob at the end of your wire. There we go. And then very slowly pull it away. And as you can see, it's leaving a flame. Now let it cool. Then kind of pull again and let it cool. Okay. Then take your scissors and cut it. Now take yellow paint, and I have just plain yellow and Mod Podge, and mix the two together, and you're going to paint your wicks. I've already mixed some together. What I'm doing is dabbing it in. And as you can see, I got quite a bit on there. Take and smear your paint around. And if you have to, take some off to make your flame look like a flame. Now that your flame has dried, we're going to cut it down to the size to fit into the jar. So I'm going to take off quite a bit. It's better to have less than more. I'm using a pin to make a hole so I can get the wick in straight. And now just insert your wick. And there you go.
For the last little step on the candle, I'm going to add a label from our printable. And I think I'm going to add the red one. And it's very simple. Just cut out the label, add some glue, and stick it to the glass jar. And now you have a cute little Christmas candle. If you don't like our label, my mom was also using nail art to decorate the jars, and that was super cute as well. To get the printable for this project, and there's a few extra projects on this page, you can go to my blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com. And of course, the link will be in the description box below. This sheet was printed on a glossy brochure paper. What did you guys think of those little candles? Will you be making them? Let us know in the comments down below. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow for day 7 of our DIY mini advent calendar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you enjoy making miniatures, don't forget to check out our other videos. We'll see you tomorrow.